Mspire experience so far has been absolutely amazing and just educational for me. To be able to meet with such ahead of the game engineers and to be a part within a room of so many intelligent people for me has been such a learning process.
Here in Northeast Ohio, knowing that they care about the businesses that are being built here, connecting with them and sharing our story is simply something that adds energy and helps put fuel to the fire of what we're trying to build. Their expertise in strategy, in manufacturing, in product development and engineering really helps to address some of the needs that we have and helps to bring the pieces of the puzzle together in a way that helps us to grow and develop to get to market in a timely fashion.
It's a smooth process, a lot of preparation to get things done, but the people and members of Mspire have been there to assist us in the process, and glad they were there to help.
I'm excited about the economic impact of Mspire. It gives local physical product entrepreneurs a chance to have their ideas vetted by a panel of experts who know how to create physical products, who have the resources and the expertise to vet how that prototype will get made, how they can get it to market, and to validate they're selling to the right customers.
Our Mspire experience has been absolutely phenomenal. Every step of the way, we have had help, we've had guidance, there's an amazing support network, and we find ourselves meeting and learning new things.
So our experience here at Mspire has been extremely positive. The staff has been very helpful. They've held our hand through the whole process and made everything very easy. They've calmed our nerves and it's been so positive for us. So we're glad we're doing this.
Yes. My experience in the Mspire Challenge has been amazing. I'm new to this entrepreneur startup world, and it has allowed me to network and connect with people and put together a presentation and a platform of my products to help launch the next stages of my business.
From day one, speaking with Mspire, whether it be email, over the phone, or video conference, and presenting today has just been really a delight. Like I said earlier, I've been very excited and looking forward to this. Not so much nerves, more excitement.
The advice that I would give a person entering the Mspire competition, I would say don't hesitate, do it. You really have nothing to lose. The people here are great, they will work with you.
Magnet's Mspire program has a great opportunity to have a huge impact on this Northeast Ohio region. We're seeing entrepreneurs who are coming from a variety of different industries, stages and sizes of businesses, and they're able to provide a wide range of resources, whether it's engineering support, financial analysis, marketing analysis, and segmentation, to help take these businesses to the next level so they can create jobs and economic opportunity here in Northeast Ohio.
Innovation is alive and well in Northeast Ohio. We have a lot of entrepreneurs bringing great new ideas to the market that are going to create jobs and opportunity.